Hey guys, nice to be back. Alright, so today I'm kind of excited because I have been thinking and I think I have something fun that we can do with the design instead of this quite simple and boring piece. But I think that this first iteration is kind of nice because we have figured out what we want to do. We want to have a timer, maybe the progress, I don't know, maybe not, but at least we want to have the features of like listing our projects and have tasks that you can work on and spend time on. And so I've been thinking, and I think I found a nice tomato. Where's the tomato I found? Date added. Is it on my desktop perhaps? Where's this goddamn tomato? It's there. Downloads agriculture. Okay, there it is. I'm just blind. All right. Let's see here. I think this tomato here in the background is what we need. So, all right, I cannot import this again. So let's import this. And let's, since it's an EPS file format, it's going to be a bit messy. So let's just try and select all of the good stuff here. I think I missed, damn it. Let's see, it should be down to here somewhere, maybe that one, and up to, there we go, we have a tomato. Awesome. Oh, let's mark that and group it. And let's do a new frame. Where do we have frames? Here we have frames. This one. Alright, so I think we're going to invert this actually. Let's do our primary color. And then we have, I kind of want to have like a wave. Let's see here. Randomize that a bit. It looks good. Let's grab that. Put it maybe there, I guess. We'll try that. Give it slightly brighter color, lighter color. Oh. And fill out. Or never mind. We can. All right. And then add another wave. Something like, not too similar to the other one, I guess. Could go up on the other side. Yeah. Something like that. Stretch it out so it covers. And then just add like a rectangle on the bottom here. And give those, remove the stroke. Does this one have a stroke as well? It seems like it. Remove those. Select those and replace the colors with an even lighter color. Maybe, yeah. All right. And then here's the thing. Let's grab our tomato. Make a copy of that one. Make it smaller. And put it in there. Something like, and then replace all those. Give that same color like that. Nice. Oh man, it looks so much better than I imagined. Maybe like that? I don't know. Yeah, let's try it. As long as you can see it's a tomato, I guess. Yeah, so we're gonna need I've added a few text styles here. You can check out the design, and we add some. We have like a plugin here we can use, and use scale of 1.25 maybe 1.2. Something like that. You round them. They're rounded already. All right. And yeah, so then just like select these, put the font you want. I actually changed to Poppins and made it a bit bolder and like that. And then we have an H2 and yeah. And then we have an H3, skip that one, skip that one and that one. And then we have this body that I created there. Sorry, I was really having fun with the project, just a bit, structuring it, but couldn't really stream right then. Something like this, you use that one and then just play around with those and create your style guide for yourself. And then we kinda, let's see here. Yeah, let's group those and alright, use our, but I think the timer needs to be bigger, needs to be the biggest, because it's the main thing of everything, right? Give it our white color. There we go. Nice. Wait, where did our, where's this? Can we like maybe lock this one so we don't accidentally put stuff in there? Give it some shadow, beautiful shadows. Nice, apply, put it somewhere there. And actually I've been thinking, oh, maybe we'll lock these as well so we don't actually accidentally just, wait, this should be in here. Yeah. All right, so we have can we center this perhaps? Something like that. Have it just below there. Because we need to have the start and stop, but I think we can just use buttons that are like rounded and skip the text if we have like play and pause and stop. Should be quite simple, right? So let's grab some icons and have play. Should we use outlined or? Yeah. Oh, what? Import as frame. Right. All right. So there we have that one. And then do like a circle around it. Oh, it got stuck in the frame. Put them in there, remove the frame, and then we give it like a white stroke perhaps, and group those. Maybe want to make it green. Yeah. All right. Give it like 18 maybe. Can we perhaps let's give the group a shadow. There we go. Lifts it up a bit. Looks more like it's not just flat anymore, you know. And is this centered in here? No, probably not, but it looks kind of centered. It's not the same to be centered and look like it's centered. Like that looks crap. So let's just put it back in there in the middle somewhere. Something like that, yeah. And make another one. We want to have a pause button. Pause. There we go. Import that one. Then a stop. Import. There we go. So we have both. Should probably have the pause here. Should that also be 18 pixels? Or does it look weird? Maybe. Maybe not. Who knows? We're just going off feeling here. So I think there we should probably be gray. What's this color? Yes, I mean fill with gray, something like, yeah, something like that. Maybe that should be our disabled color. We can tweak that later, but all the colors will be the same. And then we create a new square and put this one in the new square. Oh, drag those in there like that. Why is that one not there? Ah, damn it. Mixed them up. There we go. I have a white. And I guess those should be disabled until we actually start everything. We can auto layout them so we know that they are sticking to each other. And we can auto layout these together. And then we can set nice. 12 is kind of nice. We can have maybe 20 or 16 perhaps. Yeah, I don't know. We can change it later. Center. Yeah, all right. This looks already a lot better in my opinion. All right, so let's see here. Let's just add like some kind of choose task maybe. Grab the body. Oh, change the entire word and maybe underline. So it's like a text button. I don't know. Choose task. Select task perhaps. And then we want to, we probably want to like those two, something like that, but then we probably need to align it top wise and give this like some kind of, or hey, so it's almost centered at least, I guess, with the pause button there. Yeah, so then you click select task and you select the task you're going to work on, right? All right, looks like a pomodoro, like a tomato timer at least. At long last. Like, we should have some kind of navigation, I guess. Like, we want to have, people should be able to save their progress. So maybe we will have users. Circled user. There we go. Put it up there. Skip the frame, I don't know. Some kind of there. We might as well have like a page to edit tasks or projects. Projects. Do we have a task icon? Like a list icon, perhaps? Yeah, that looks good. And also a stats page, right? We want to be able to see how we're doing. Stats, chart, graph. Is this a graph? Chart? Maybe this? Yeah. Let's do it. Drag it over there. Put it out from the frame. Oh, there we go. Put those up there. And you know the drill. Auto align. Auto layout, sorry. Do we want them to be bigger? They're kind of small. If that's our navigation. Yeah. Let's do like that and have, maybe the height should be 40. Oh, that's kind of big. Maybe 32. Okay, I don't know, maybe 24. Yeah. Make them white and maybe, something like that, or grab the auto layout, make it 40 and put them in the end, drag it something like that. Then we can add some padding top, it's like maybe 16, and maybe some padding to the right as well. 32, 20. I think this is where we need some kind of layout grid, so we know how to where we can put things. There we go. Layout grid. Column layout. Alright, so I made a column layout. Can just show you how I did it. So we have a kind of look like grids, but columns. Let's give it some better color. Yeah, but you should be able to see behind it. Something like that. And then we have maybe 12. And put them in the center. Give them 75 pixels and 20 pixels gutter. Alright, and then we can just stick everything in there. And then we don't need actually a padding. There we go. Put that. We need some more padding top. 24 perhaps, something like that. Maybe some more space between them as well. 24. Oh, 32. Yeah, alright. Maybe we should actually grab that and go in here and make a component out of this. So we paste that in there, and we have, let's make it stick to the center of the frame so that when we resize the frame it will always try to be in the center. We can, right, when we select one of them we want to be able to want to have some kind of background, right? So if we put that there, make it absolute positioned and maybe make it dark, something like that. Put it behind everything. Should be a bit bigger, maybe. 47, 40, 54. Yeah, something like that. And then if we actually make this into a component, where do we have components? There. Then we can grab this one. Oh, and name this as a nav. Then we can grab the circle actually and make it select stats. We don't want to show it as default, so when we copy this component we get this option to actually select stats, so we can just toggle it on and off. Easy as that. Nice, huh? Alright, let's give each and every one a circle. If we want to select any one of those. There we go. Oh, centered like that. But we need to change. So this is select. What is it? Select projects, tasks or projects. It's our project page, and this one should be select user, maybe. And right, we don't want them to be per default selected. So now if we go back, we can delete this one, go to our component in assets here and just Sweet. So let's make let's say we select a task. I think we should probably have some kind of, it would be nice if there's like a model, like some kind of pop-up. Now we want to make them align with these columns. To make it kind of nice. We can hide that one, just because when we're clicking the select task, the idea is that we get this one up here, it pops up from below, maybe some kind of raw corner radius. 12 is my go-to. Let's give that some nice beautiful shadows as well, so that it pops out a bit. Can hide this. Yeah, looks good. And let's say we have let's use one of these, maybe the body. Can we write design, build a pomodoro timer. Make this one maybe 50. Oh, damn it, can't I? Let's see here. What if we grab that and put it in another text, and then make that not as visible? So this one takes the visible precedence because it's the task we want to work with, you know. Group those, auto layout, and then we check our layers. We have selected this rectangle and select that one, auto layout those, and then the rectangle becomes the background, so we can change the paddings here. We want to use something divisible by 4, maybe 24, because divisible by 4 is kind of nice. Let's start with 24 up there, right? And we want to have some kind of label at the top, just so we know what we're supposed to do here. Select task and make that a label. Put it in the top. Should it be small? Should it be like I'm taking a stance or something? Select task. You're supposed to select a task. All right. We want to be able to close this somehow, right? Should we have just an X or something to the right? Give it an X. Could probably just use a letter, but why use the letter when you can use an SVG? Yeah, it makes no sense. Let's see here. Make it white. Oh, this one is F white. It's supposed to be our white. Is this also F white? Weird. Let's see here. Alright, so this, let's make those to an R layout. Something like that. Put it to the right. Make it fill the container and make auto. There we go. Alright, so we can click the cross to close the select task window. Yeah, and then we can have like design, front end. Oh, damn it. And back end. Nice. It's kind of weird that those are at different. Let's give it auto and fill it to the container, something like that. Fill container auto. Fill container auto. There we go. Then this is going to be the project name, and this is going to be the task name, so that you can just select the task and quickly skim through which project you're working on. If you have multiple projects, that is. All right. But we're not going to edit them here, right? We're going to click here and go to the navigation to the project page. So we're going to have a page for those. We could have a link in the bottom here just to make it really nice and clean. To create a new task, for example. New task. And we might want to make it underlined at least, so because it's going to be a link to the other page. So let's grab these and make those an auto layout, and then we can change this to auto and maybe fill center. There we go. So then if you just want to create a new task, you click new task. Simple enough, right? Yeah. Hey, this isn't so bad. Yeah, really like this. Think we have something here. And then if you select something, we want to have a frame for when you select something as well, right? So I'll say we have selected design, which we're doing now. Maybe, yeah, no underline. Should it be like red perhaps? Can we make it bold? Design, remove the underline perhaps. Oh, low battery. All right, we'll run out the battery and see what happens. And then we want to have the project name here. So build pomodoro, something like that. I probably don't want that to be bold. We could use the helper text that and group those auto layout, keep them together so we know that they are related to each other, maybe 4, something like that. You're supposed to be able to change that though. Will people know that they can change it? Maybe click it or something? Should we have a button instead? Yeah, let's make a button. So we have the auto layout, we can just fill it. Make it white. Give it some paddings, like, I don't know, 12. Oh. And what do you think? Maybe 8? Yeah. Yeah. Rounded corners. There we go. Maybe give it a shadow so you know you can click on it. Or should we have like an icon as well? Or if we put like an edit button, edit, something like that, pencil. Maybe 18. Make it the same color. Auto layout those. Maybe put that to the right. Make it auto and fill the container. Yeah. Build a pomodoro timer. All right. Yeah, I think that's it for the first part. For the first page, right? So what happens when you click the other ones? I kind of imagine that when you click stats, where are we? There we go. When you click stats, the tomato disappears. Put it down here. There we go. Now we can delete that one. You know, like it goes down below, or like something like that. Could have an animation where it pops back up over, so you have some kind of overlays. Yeah. Oh, and now we can use this select stats. Nice. And also when you select projects, we remove everything, so that we have the whole entire whole space to work with. And with the stats, this could actually be, if it could show the stats, it could be a chart behind everything. That could be cool, actually. Yeah, let's have that in the back of our minds. Let's do this one perhaps first. Maybe a label or H2 or something. H1 maybe. What are we doing here? Like projects, my edit projects, manage projects. I don't know, something like that. Projects, and then we have the project name, build a pomodoro. And then we have the tasks below somehow. Body, design, and front end and back end. Nice. Auto layout those. Give them maybe 8. Oh, sorry. And then auto layout those. I kind of want this one to be, to go out a little bit. Hug contents and maybe 24.0, so that it goes out a little bit. what do we have here? 33, that's kind of weird. 16. Now we get a nice relation between these. I'll lay out those, and maybe 36 or something like that, you know? Yeah. So now we have a project and some tasks, and you want to be able to add a task as well. And we like plus add task, or add task plus. Probably need to like have a button or something. Should we make some buttons? Let's make some buttons. That's nice. Always nice to have a button or two. So here we have some text. Hello. Like the button text. Just a second. Oh, let's see how much battery. Oh, 7%. And let's make it an odd layout with some paddings, 8 or 12, 8, something like that. It can be 0, 12, and let's make it background red. Our primary color. Fill that one with our white. Do we want this to be bold, perhaps? Yeah. Just hug so that it resizes with the text. All right, and we want to have some shadows as well. There we go. Make it a component. Call it the button. And yeah, I don't know. Looks kind of nice. We should probably have a variant, like an outlined variant. Outlined type. And this one could be solid, like a primary button, and this one could be outlined. So we need to remove the fill, have a stroke, white stroke, sure, inside, maybe 2. Probably want the text to be white then as well, right? Nice, nice. Do we have shadows on it? Yeah, sure. All right, so those are the two we have. We should probably use the black one with defined. All right. So here we have tasks. And maybe we should have a label like tasks. It's everything here. F. Should have it as our own white. There we go. Tasks. You know what? Let's just add like a plus in here. Oh. Iconify plus. Should we have circle plus? Let's try circle plus. There we go. Make it white. Can I drag it in there? No, I cannot. Auto layout. You know the drill. Maybe we want those to be centered. This one should probably be a bit smaller. Oh, what happened there? Oh, this one is probably taking the entire space. There we go. Do we have some space there? Tasks and a plus. All right. Or I don't know. Let's remove those. Build a pomodoro timer. Oh. Wait a minute. What's fixed? Hug contents. Hug contents. I'm thinking that we want to have some kind of stats over here for the Pomodoro timer. Then we want to have like an edit. Yeah, edit is nice. Edit. Import. Auto layout those. Auto layout everything. There we go. Make it a bit cent. Was it the wrong frame? Ah. All right. I don't know if that's enough to see that you're supposed to click that to edit it, or? Yeah, let's go with that for now. And could have like a circle. Let's have a circle and remove the fill and have a stroke, perhaps. You know, like a pie chart where you see how much of the progress you've done. So you could have like a stroke with a green. Ah, kid woke up, so it's time to end here. All right, see you guys on the next one. Bye.